We'll have a good trade. Those of you newer to the room, on trial, whatever, if you're new to us or just joined or on trial, please stay in sim until you get the lay of the land. If you join as a pro member, schedule your coaching session so we can get you on the right track. If you're on trial and you want to have a talk about which level you should join at, we'll do a quick call with you, figure that out with you. Please stay in sim or paper account, whatever you want to call it. When you're done with your 3 days, feel free to join any level you want. We have 2 levels, pro, standard. We typically suggest pro so you can get your videos, get kind of caught up onto our methodology and everything, and give that a month. If you feel like you need it after that, stay in. If you don't, go back down to standard. Plain and simple. Thanks, ladies and gentlemen. That's my announcement and disclaimer all at the same time.
That is good. Good stuff. And we did it in less than 2 shakes of Sakasa trade.
There you go.
Everybody amazed so far? How about those who didn't trade and were going to go short? Think of how much money you saved by waiting for 6 minutes. There may have been 1 or 2 people thinking counter trend short. So by waiting that 6 minutes, you go, wow, the market didn't want to go down. Don't beat yourself up. There's no such thing as missing a trade. You got information. At least you learned not to go short right off the open today as soon as the ticks were up. So that's not a bad thing, right? Now you can wait another minute and then wait for these stochastics to hook up down here, down there, and get part of the attempt to make a new high again. In other words, a run toward the daily pivot.
There, I'm talking again with my mic off. Those of you having tech issues, be patient. If you're having tech issue, go to the main site. There's a chat feature, a little bubble. Chat on the main site. Somebody will reply to you right away.
Six minutes are up. Take one off if you went long, 6 minutes. Bring your stop to 862. $865. These are people who waited for 6 minutes and are now long. 867. One left. Boom. Not a bad trade, huh? Even if you waited for 6 minutes. Others now, did anybody grab some of that? Even those who waited a little bit?
Sure did.
We've had 2 good setups. Now just wait for those stochastics to go low again. Hook up, and you'll get a third call. Right now we're flat. We're waiting for a third hookup on the Stokes.
For those of you just showing up, there's your first trade. Those of you that got here on time, had a good morning so far.
Coach Hugo's done, what, half an hour ago?
Oh, yeah.
We've had
It
already.
was done before we opened.
Yeah. Team Slayton is long from 8:06. They have permission, obviously, to trade. Took the course, understand what we're doing. I'm going to refresh my chart again. Hopefully I'll be able to come back. I think it's finally letting me back in. Yeah. It's really slow. I mean, wow. No, it's system. System is slow. All right, guys. Nothing to do here. Stochastics are in the middle. Wait for a pullback. Everybody can hear me now?
Yep. We
All right.
are working on the tech issue, guys. Promise. If you're having the tech issues, chat the main site. Let us know. We're trying to get to the vendor of our trade room to see what the tech issue could be now. So be patient.
I think Tom Brady is hacking it. He's starting his new career as a day trader.
After yesterday, geez.
Yeah, exactly. And you know, sad they said it was the most number of tickets he ever gave away for relatives and friends to see him play.
Well, they didn't get to see much.
It's like Ted Bundy giving away tickets for his execution.
Nice job.
Yeah.
Oh man, that means you can't hear a gong.
We're waiting for a hookup now, guys. We're low enough now, waiting for Z hookup. Earlier was good support at 804, guys. $804 to $785. We'll see if it holds this time. Be patient. Everybody's green so far, right? Guys can still hear me, right?
I can.
All right, cool.
And I think they can. Everybody is green. Fantastic.
Nice.
Start the day strong.
Yep, let it pull back a little more, guys. Remember, before it went down to this area right here. You can see it on the $9 lows right around here. So if we had to project the downside, it would be into this support area down here. $133 is hooking up. So is the 15 range starting to look back. The only one that's still pushing down is the 2-minute.
Anybody in this? Anybody long?
I'm waiting for its bottom.
Right. Coach should say that we should probably be looking for double tops, double bottoms. I just like the signal here. So
it hooked up nicely. You can do it, certainly, guys.
And it came off a little area of support there back where we entered the W. So I just kind of liked it. Good job, Killer B.
You guys remember our last call long, right? Earlier, it was 817. You missed it by 2 ticks. I had my bid there. So gave it a shot. It's up to the market, right? Remember our last long that we called? Who was here when we called the long at 817? Yep. Looking for it again. Market didn't give it to me. No biggie.
We have 2 left, guys. One left.
That's why we say, guys, it's good to get in early. So you get these numbers, you get the pattern of the market, you get a good feel for it.
850 is my last power exit point.
Cool.
If you guys, whoever's following me, you guys want me to call out the stops?
It's all right, Monica. You get
All
another
right,
shot
Jamie.
at it.
I got it. Oh, never mind. Oh, didn't quite get me. It's going to get me now. Done. Flat. Good trade. Good job, guys. 850 is what I had. Flat now.
Mr. Market will give you exactly what you look for, guys.
Now I will wait. First touch rule took off. I didn't take it.
Everybody's nice and green already, right, guys?
Yeah, we're all green. Wish I'd taken it. Still in the other one. Good job, Killer B.
3 out of 3 are up. See if this 2-minute bar shows support. Right now, the support on the 2-minute bar would be right here. 837. The low is actually 839. Good job, Killer B. All you have to do, guys, is just keep repeating the trades that are working for you. In other words, each trade, every time it's come down and stopped going down and hooked up, was a buy signal.
Yeah, Monica, you'll need to log out of the main Liberty Trading Club website, log back in, then come back in the room. We had some website updates, so everybody's got to log out of the main website, log back in if you're having any issues. Monica, meet Monica.
You're bidding 847. That's not bad.
I tell you, Coach, if it keeps breaking down, I'm gonna stay away from trading for a couple minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like a bigger M for me on the 2-minute chart. Not that I'm going to take it, but we will patiently wait. Those of you on trial, some of you have been in for a couple days. You guys know that we are patient traders. We're going to wait for a good trade setup. We're not just trying to jump in trades.
Earlier, guys, I tried 817, didn't get filled. Didn't bother me one bit.
There you go. See? Easy peasy. Yes, Chad, you are correct.
Okay, wait for the hookup now, guys. We're coming into a good support area. Okay,
There it is.
do a little buying here, 837 area. Beat you by one tick, Killer B.
What'd you guys do? 8:30.
837 long. Bought one at 47 and then 37.
I'm way behind y'all. I got in at the late number of 47.
854 is the stop.
Was your first one.
$847 and $837 long. Tried 817. I had another one, but that didn't get filled, obviously. Good job, snails. 854 stop. 855 is the stop flat. Good job, Killer B. Maybe we'll get our 817 now. Very good. Excellent. Excellent trading.
Nice job. I love it. My favorite sound of the day, the done for the day gong. You can hear me, right, Coach?
Yeah.
Okay.
I hear it.
Just making sure. I know there's tech issues. I bit my tongue in my sleep last night.
Ooh,
Weird.
no good.
Yeah. So I have like this big bump and I feel like I have a lisp today. It doesn't hurt now. It hurt last night when I woke up. I think I was dreaming that somebody was pulling my tongue out of my mouth.
Oh,
Yeah. Oh boy, no. Team Slayton done for the day. Love it.
love it.
Coho is done for the day on that one too. Nice.
All right, guys. Good. Good trading. We do have another buy signal right here, but I just got out of the other one, so I don't want it right here. You notice this little tail? You got left, right, both bars are on the other side of it. So 851 was actually another buy signal there.
Killer B done for the day. Team Slayton, that gong was for you guys. Good job.
Here's low ticks. You want to jump in? Anybody who hasn't taken a trade right here. It's another one.
I got
Another
one
buy signal
contract
right there.
left. Looks like we're going to be ranging in this place for a little while, guys. Still trailing one.
870 first target. 880 second target.
Who took the low tick read long? The coach
Yeah.
just called. He gave you like at least 20 seconds to press that button. Good job.
There's your
BJ.
stops.
Anybody else? Stops in, worries out.
Got that low tick read trade. It was great.
Nice job, Monica. Good job,
Great
Dan.
job. Great job, everybody.
It's a good low tick read long. Thanks, coach.
Thank you. 870 is my power exit point right now. I got one left.
I think I've
870.
contributed one comment to a trade, coach. I've gotten one trade call in, so I'm not really burning it up, but not losing either.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, you know how many trades I would take over my 49 months of losses for one good trade per day, and that's it. That was what Linda told me. That was my instruction. Just find one decent. Oh, stops moving up. I put the Sakasa stop thing in there. At 880 is the stop. So Sakasa is actually is the 30 stop rule. 884 is the stop.
I have mine at 857. This only because I'm in 10 ticks lower on my last contract.
There's no stopping this stop.
Either way, got profits. Kind of feel like I should lock in a few more profit. A few more ticks. Let's go. I'm gonna use yours. What did you say? 887?
I just raised it to 886 right now.
I'm gonna 2 ticks under the pivot.
Will be stop. Power
This is high of the range anyway, so probably a bad idea.
Whew. Mucho green already. I knew Friday I would miss the weekend of trading. Guys, I haven't gone over 3 contracts. I've not gone over 3 contracts using very tight stops today. I'm not making the kind of money I made on Friday, but still no heat on these trades. There's been no heat. I'd rather have that, I think.
I would
a little
much
less
rather have that.
lose anything. Yeah.
Okay, I moved mine up. I'm at 882 now.
Good job.
Anybody still in with me? You guys still in? Anyone? Good job, Monica. Hey. Perfect. Me too. I got that. Killer B, we got close to the same feel, I think. When you were 10 ticks lower. Ran out of contracts. I'm using 88. Now I'm gonna move it up a little bit more. Coach, are you still in?
No, I got out. This time you're in, I'm out. I mean, yeah, it doesn't matter. One of us is going to be making money, right?
890. Let's go a little
It
bit
doesn't
higher.
matter which way you do it, guys, because guess what?
Dude.
Trading, following either coaches, Hugo, myself, right? Chanel, you're going to get this. Probably at the end of the day, you'll have the same results. You may take different trades, but that's the whole point of trading in the zone. If you read that book, it's about managing the trade. That's all it's about. One trade I missed by 2 ticks before, 817. Coach got it. He got that one. I missed it. Did I blow up and kick the dog? And I don't have a dog, but I just said, all right, we'll catch your next trade. That's it. And now I'm out maybe a little too soon. Coach is following it. It doesn't matter, guys. Your job is to be profitable. And we will get you there. But we prefer not to have any remedial requests during the day. We want everyone to be green. And today that means buying. Buying pullbacks today is going to get you green. But don't start doing that at 11 o'clock in the morning after missing 12 great trades and then say it didn't work today. It's the 3rd new high. This might be the last new high. A lot of times the market will move in waves of 3. So maybe 940 will be the highest that it gets in this sequence. Who knows? But I still wouldn't go short, guys. Earlier we did. We took one, at least we called one short trade today so far. But that's all you need in an uptrend. That was at 8. We called it 33.
I'm flat.
823. Good job, coach.
901 was my last. I would have moved it up a little bit further, but I was trying to help people that were having these tech issues.
Yep.
You guys that were following me got 901 at least, I hope.
Not one trade had any heat today, guys. Whether you're trading full contracts or micro minis, every single trade had no heat. And literally, I mean, less than 4 ticks. The one that Killer B did at 38. Here, the heat was, and if you got it going up, it was no heat. The low was 34. The one that Killer B took long at 38, the low was 34. And if you got it going back up, there was no heat. It went to 38, 39, 40, 41, 50. So it didn't even, on the hook up, this trade here was 0 heat. This one.
Oh, nice.
Was this a double bottom? That's the question. Yeah, it was actually a powerful double bottom, wasn't it? Didn't even get to 819. Right, guys? That's what we said we'd look for, right? So if you actually just look for one good trade, there you go. And you didn't have to wait much. Look at here. Even 930 at 936, right? After 936, the market pulled back to 840. Here was the low. Didn't get to 817, which I was hoping for there, but who cares? We got it. We got this one. You guys amazed? Is everybody amazed?
Yes.
We had 73 people. It's still 165 right now.
We're close to 200, Coach.
Yeah, and I missed that. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And
Good job, Sartor.
A lot of people to be amazed.
You guys are going to get a runner on this one. Look at that.
Yeah. You're still in, Robert? Great job.
Good job, guys. 940. That's what you need to get your runner, Team Sleaden. All right. I like it. Good job.
Picked up right where we started on Friday.
Yeah, we finished the day with a runner.
Well, I'm cheering for you guys now. I'm not in the trade, but I'm a good cheerleader too.
Same here. Same here. It's really tempting to get back in, but I'm not going to.
I know.
Super tempting. Not going to do it.
See, we've learned enough, guys. When just because everybody else is making money, if that's not part of your my plan isn't if everyone's in a great trade, jump in. No, because you're in a great trade because you're already making money. That means I'd be buying way beyond your entry point. Don't want to do that. The plan for me today was wait for the pullback, double bottom, go long. You saw it in the
Double top.
yeah, or double tops to
There's
go
one
short.
right now.
But now we're not yet in a downtrend, obviously. If the momentum changes down, then yeah, you could look for nice little double tops and then take them short. Little M there at 933, 933, 892. Nice, Coach Hugo. Yep. 926 was the volatility number.
Bingo. That's true, VA. Big difference in managing profits and being in a versus chasing a trade. Good job, Team Slayton. I'm assuming somebody went short there, even though, well, there's some people who have permission to trade counter trend and some people who are big this morning. So,
yep. If you look here, guys, right? If you have your swing low right here, 7 o'clock. The low was 782, right? So where would you project the high to be?
job, Dietrich.
Let's see, 33,782. I don't know, I'm gonna go out on a limb and add 151 points to that. 150. I'm gonna say 33,933 would be a target for somebody. Let's see if it ever got near there. I don't know.
Wild guess.
33,933. 33,933. Oh yeah, yeah. Look how close it got. Isn't that funny? Oh. From here to there. Actually, you can almost look at it from here because that was the pullback here. So if you really wanted to look at this, what was the low there?
He likes doing the math,
77.
David. He likes doing the math.
On 28 would be the predicted high. Certainly that area.
Well, VA, you always want to be aware of the pivot, especially now that we've been chopping around the pivot for a bit. But if it's good for a structural with hook and stochastics, take it. I'm just always want to warn people of the pivot. Be careful of the pivot. And the market really hasn't given a true, like, even though we're in an uptrend, it hasn't really done other than we've gotten some good trades. So follow the rules. That would be the plan there, VA. Take the good clean hooks on stochastics. Ignore everything else. Don't jump in at the pivot. Wait for it to get through it. That would be the thing that you need to be thinking about. What are we looking at? Is the pivot going to stay? Are we going to stay above the pivot, or is that like kind of the true resistance level?
Yeah, and again, we noted one thing, guys: the lack of big volume.
Yeah.
We expected a rally. We didn't think it would be like a 300-point rally. So we were earlier this morning. We were around the 825 level. So we rallied about 100 points from the highs of this morning. It's not a giant rally, and it didn't do it on huge volume, but hey, like Coach said, how many are happy that you've made a couple of great trades on the long side?
Yeah. Oh, and for us to get all preachy again, guys, to remind me, we're going to get a lot more strict about this, guys. Get your 3 or 4 good trades in. Be done for the day.
Yeah.
And I know it's hard to walk away when you're making money, but we had several situations last week where people got blew up because they had some good trades early and just kept trading and gave back all their profits. A couple people got in bad situations early on last week and just kept chasing bad trade after bad trade. If you guys jump in early, get a couple good trades, and there's your hook on stochastics, guys.
Yeah, and then it becomes addictive,
Right.
Mike.
Yeah.
You're absolutely right. When you're losing money, it becomes even worse. It's like, no, I've got it. When you
got a hole to dig out of, and you get more
Yeah.
aggressive, and
yeah,
not the way to go.
most winners, I could scare them away. If I said, okay, how much you up? And they'll say X, Y, Z, and I said, that's great. Do you really want to be down today? And they go, no. Then they'll walk away. They'll walk away, and at least it's happy, But you tell somebody, look, you're down $300.
Yeah.
Stop. You 5 bad trades. That's terrible. Stop. No, I just want to stop when I'm even. Well, it only gets harder after the first hour.
And you start compounding your losses.
Yeah. We're not trying to discourage traders, guys. We're just trying to discourage habits that help us lose money. And there's so many of them out there, and that's why we make money. We make money because people aren't following those rules. The market is, when you make money, it's because somebody else is losing. It's not that ninja trader is like this big cash register and just throws money in your account.
Or that somebody's sitting there watching your where you put your entries and stops and taking out your stops.
Santa is not really watching.
Oh man.
Mm-mm.
I like the Ray Stevens song, Santa Claus is watching you.
I was watching that again. It must have been like 50 times at Christmas Vacation, when Clark is telling the kids that he saw Santa, the FAA, one of the pilots saw Santa's sleigh going, and his cousin or whatever that guy, Eddie, goes, "Are you kidding me, Clark?" He's looking at him. Yeah, Eddie, sure. He thought there really was, What a great character he played, though.
Yeah. And this is the price action that I'm not jumping in on. I mean, you guys could, I hate to keep saying it when this happens, guys, but not a bad area that you could switch to sim and start practicing your tick fade trades, tick, tick, boom.
Yeah.
Not a
Yeah,
bad spot to
practice
do
them.
it.
And guess what? Let's say you do 8 in a row that are great. Then by 2 o'clock, 2:30, you can do it for real.
Yeah, switch to sim, guys. Start practicing your tick trades, tick fade trade, tick, tick, boom trades. Nice job. Nice job, Sean.
Good job, Sean. Yeah, here we go. KMC tried to, well, you can't hear me. Let's type it in there. KMC or KFC? Oh, KMC.
Here, I'll send a chat.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just going to post that in alert since we have so many people.
Yeah. Do it in Braille in case they can't see it. The Helen Keller trading system.
Then it's good. All right, this is going to go in the main, in the alert section as well. We are working on it.
The workers are here already, guys. They're just waiting for the porta potties to arrive. and the road closed sign.
All right.
I don't know if that's the proper spelling of porta potty.
We've got our best people on it. Got our
Might have a
best people
Y
on
in
it.
it. I don't know. That's one job I've never had, like being on a road crew.
Hey, I did it.
Did you? Wow.
Yeah, for like a brief stint.
There you go.
I think it was like your 1 month with wherever. And the first thing I did was like I was supposed to watch these guys put the signs out at night when they were working on the interstate. Those
That's
phone
a
barrels.
dangerous job.
I know. After the first time I did that, I was like, I don't want to be on the interstate anymore. That's kind of
Yeah.
cars are going by and a flat tire. This is what got me out of it. A flat tire on the side of the interstate, pulling one of those signs that have the flashing letters on it to put in the spot. And the only place I could change it was on the fast side, the fast lane, right next to the barrier. And it was the tire that was closest to the road. I was like, forget this. I'm not doing it.
Yeah.
Every time a car passed, it was just like the whole thing would like blow and wobble. And then you had it up on the jack and it's wobbling with the, oh my God, big work truck. There you go, Sean. There's your breakout trade, Sean. Still in it? There you go. Good deal. Lock in profits. There's nothing you can't lose on this one now.
Good job, Sean.
Did anybody else do what Coach and I said to do? Switch, start practicing your tick fade trades. Anybody else do that? Good job, Paul. Adrian, good job. Good guys. Those are just doing little things like that. When you're not seeing good trades, try to practice something else on sim. Those are the things that are going to make you better. Yeah, so what? You were on sim and you're making money in this trade, and it was a tick fade trade. Who
Yeah,
cares?
for about 3 minutes, the ticks were all below zero. In the last 3 minutes, they're above zero. And you can see you can use that to your benefit.
Well, and the thing is, guys, you do this a couple times in sim, and then one time you're going to be in cash and say, oh, I see this. I know exactly what to do now.
Right.
And then boom, you're in the trade. I can't tell you the number. I mean, you guys have been in a room. How many times we've gotten runners off of doing the tick tick boom trade?
Yeah.
We'll do it 2 or 3 times, and all of a sudden one just breaks out and takes off.
Looking good.
It's a good one for you guys. Squeeze your stops up. Go Dogs. Thank you, Sean. The Georgia Bulldogs still in it. This Ohio State fan tried to tell me that they were going to beat the crap out of us this weekend. I just laughed. I didn't know what else to do.
They could probably win with the practice squad. The Eagles look amazing. I mean, everything is just working with them. No, I don't think anyone expected the Philadelphia Eagles to be the most winning team in the NFL. Yeah, they tie up the defensive line, and then that guy just goes running around wherever he wants to. And the safety doesn't know what to do. Do you cover the tight end, or you wait until Jalen breaks the scrimmage? By then, it's too late. If the tight end's 15 yards down there and you're on his back, next thing you know, Jalen is over the line of scrimmage. Now you got to run 15 yards to try to stop him, and then you miss the tackle. Boom. Yeah, one Pennsylvania team is doing well. Not your guys. Need to bring Bradshaw back again. And Cowher, Bill Cowher, kicked their butts. Yeah, I remember Newsday. My favorite paper.
I keep coming on and off, guys, because I'm trying to coordinate getting the charge led on the tech side of things worked out. Mahomes is my man. I like Mahomes.
New high.
You guys are raising your stops. This is your breakout, guys. That's a good one. Good trade, Sean. You guys. Now I'm
Tighten those stops up.
itching that I wasn't in it.
Getting to the 10:30 time frame.
Also, yeah, there is a reload button in the top right corner. Well, some people can hear us say that. Seems like it's only people that have tried to log in before. I think the easiest thing, guys, is log out of the main website, log back in. Should work from there.
Yeah, and I did that earlier. It was still a little slow after logging back in. It didn't come in instantly. So it's definitely a server on the other end. It can't be everybody's computers screwed up.
No, we're working with PTR right now.
Yeah.
We've already sent a support ticket to them, trying to get that worked out, figure out what's going on there.
We've reached our profit limit, maybe. You know, you're not allowed to make more than that.
Yeah,
But,
that would be it.
All right, guys, 10:30 reversal. Are we going to go up a little more and then that's it? Let's see. 940. I mean, we're nowhere near 34,222. But here's the momentum bar that we looked at in the last hour. 983 is the high right here. So we're going to watch this as if we wind up doing any kind of 10:30 reversal, this would be the area that stops the market from going higher. 983. ATEX. Buy a lottery ticket. Yeah, if you got into the room early, no tech problems. Your luck is good.
Oh, text Bob. Yeah, guys, we have support tickets and a chat function on the main website. Please make use of that. You can also ask in Discord. Those guys know how to tell you how to log out of the main site. I think let's see if we have any new trial people showing up now. Couple new trial, no sound, no charts again. Let me do this.
I think we had something like 7 trial members today.
I can't spell, but there you go. You guys get the point.
Any 10:30 reversal tracks out there? Ready? Draw a little trend line.
This might be a decent day for it too.
Yeah, it's getting up there.
There you go, Robert. Sean, are you still in this one?
There's the stronger trend line. And you can always draw a real aggressive trend line.
Good job, Sean.
From there to there.
Good trade, Coach Hugo.
Welcome to Liberty Trading Club, everyone. Paulina here. Just doing a quick check-in. Hope you enjoyed the live stream this morning. If you're interested in joining us live in the trade room, where you can take our trade calls and participate in chat to have questions answered by a coach, just visit libertytradingclub.com and register for your free 3-day trial. After your first free 3 days, it's just $99 a month for trade room access. Please like, subscribe, and share.